I'd rate this probably like an A, since we're pro trend. You're trading pro trend. So I'd probably say this is an A. The only thing is, um, if you go on NQ, it's just because of where NQ is so high up in a leg for me personally, it would reduce the probabilities of the trade a bit. But if you just took a stop hunter, you know, that's a fine trade setup. So whatever you guys are taking, man. But this to me would just be like based in A setup. So you could short it here, right there with my entry model, TP it here, and then you long this, and then you can TP at the 5-minute or TP at the highs. Like, this is so simple, guys. This is you're literally just like train reversal after reversal after reversal in the market. These are internal reversals, not external. Except for this short would be external reversal, but all these are pro trend reversals. We're not reversals, pro trend, external pro trend setups. Bro, there's Discord streaming on the premium section, right? If you're sorry, I'm talking a little bit fast. I need to get used to talking a bit slower for y'all. The Discord screenshots. So this is within the premium group where I send the trade ideas and such. This is in the Discord group that I send like while I'm in the trade and such. I talk over it. So for people that are taking the same exact setup, which you should be, since you learned the exact same strategy in the course and mentorship, you should be taking the exact same trade. There's nothing discretionary here for taking this trade. If you say so, then I don't know what to tell you, man. There's literally no way you can mess this up. This is 100% pinpoint accuracy in terms of the entry and taking the trade. This is an A+ setup. It's literally a checklist that I give to the course members, and all you do is just use that checklist, go off of it, and just trade. That's it. But yeah, this is course members only, chat. And then this here is this executions I sent out to everyone in the free Discord that is under profits for the most part. Usually I send my trades in the profits, but it's not sending the trades like live in a sense as in while they're playing out. I'm saying just executions of proof that I took the trades. So if you want something that's more live, something that's more like interactive, you can ask questions while you're in the same trade, things of that nature. That's where the course comes in. You get access to this exclusive group, which I think honestly, hence why I'm gonna be raising the price soon for the course. I just think the value I'm providing is too much for the price I'm offering compared to like any other traders out there. I think that what I'm offering is just much higher value. Like I could be charging 1,000, but I'm not for the course right now. I want to try to get a decent sized group first of people that are really interested in trading, like they have a passion for trading, not just money. Hence why you don't see me showing off stuff on this YouTube channel for the most part. I tend to keep everything very educational if I can, which hope I've been doing for you guys. But yeah, basically, you know, the course will be going up in price next month. I haven't decided on the exact price, but I do have a ballpark range, and it will be like around double. So if you want to get in, you get in now. Same with the mentorship pricing. That's not going to be going down. Again, like I said, I want to get like a good size, solid group of people. Because the thing is, with a group of people trading, some people don't take trading as seriously, or maybe their schedule doesn't work well with trading. So it may take them longer to learn everything and such. So I just want like a good sample size of people in the group to the point where like we can have at least, preferably, I'd say like 50% of the group like full-time trading. I think that would be really sick, honestly. We get 50% of the group full-time trading. That's a really high success rate, because that's not just like profitability. That's like full-time, like where you quit your job and you're training literally full-time like me. So I'm not talking about just being profitable. Being profitable is one thing, but quitting your main source of income and using this as your main source of income is a whole different ball game. Whole different level. It's not easy for sure, but it is easy once you have a grasp and understanding of my system. and you just practice. It's just practice and screen time. You only need some crazy amount of screen time. Like again, this is just very mechanical to take these trades. There's just no way you can mess it up. Like the entry models are so mechanical, there's literally no way to not take them. But we'll see if this 5-minute holds here. It ideally shouldn't be holding, is my assumption or anticipation here, because we did fail. We failed once already on the seconds. Now if we fail again and we take out this high, there's nothing else here that's unmitigated. So we should just be safe to run the highs. Going NQ. We're delivering good on NQ so far. We have inverse that as well, so that's good to see on NQ. If you're interested in indicators, they're all on my WAP as well. For those that are wondering like what indicators I'm using and such. But I'm gonna delete this alert here just because I do believe it's gonna be lower likely we do come back down there if we're going to take out the high. This would be considered the second, probably the third break up, so we could consider see something like this, but it's a little far away for now for where price is currently. So we'll stick to the current ranges of price. Saito-sen said something. Message retracted. I'm not sure what happened. So let's see. Did anyone else take these longs, by the way? Want to know if anyone else took these longs. We've been having really good price action in April so far. Or sorry, not April. What am I saying? June. You catch a long on gold? Yeah, I caught which long? There's so many long opportunities on gold. Here, wait, this is Brian, right? Yeah, it is Brian. Gotcha. I just remember from the profile picture, this is Brian. Yeah. So Brian, Brian's a member in the course, by the way, for those wondering. Saito-san, that's him, but that's asking a question if I caught the longs. These are the longs I took on gold, Brian. And then here's executions on each one. So these are basically the main gold setups. A long to 345, 345. Oh, sweet. Damn. You caught basically the whole move. Or wherever you entered. You exited at the peak time, basically. Once we enter this high time frame PY right here. But that high time frame supply is not going to hold likely. You'd still get a nice reaction on lower time frame, but understanding time frames fractally, the high time frame is bullish, so we hit high time frame demand. And if we go between high time frame demand, I was talking to this to a private mentorship student, but if we go between like high time frame PYs, whichever one is with the pro trend is going to less likely hold. Doesn't mean you can't take a trade off of it though. So yeah, I mean, these were just basically the steps I took on gold. Gold was easy money last night, Asia session, easy money. And this went into a little bit of London, tiny bit. Not yet, still Asia technically. But easy money longs on gold after we hit that 1 hour PY. I did not cash the initial entry here though, unfortunately. Now, this is like amazing delivery to this PY, but I just wasn't on the charts, so was not able to cash this. But whoever took my entry model here, dude, and if you just held to the higher time frame PY, that's literally 8.59 risk reward. Insane. Whoever caught that bottom on gold with my entry model is insane. You would have just been done for a week there if you wanted to. People make that in a month. But the delivery here is literally A+. Like you guys, for the course members, you guys know exactly what I'm talking about here. This is literally impulse model delivery. This is A+ delivery. This is when we want to be taking reversals, when we have huge momentum like this. People get scared when they see huge momentum. When in reality, to us, it's the complete opposite. You shouldn't be scared at all. You should in fact be brave, even more brave to take the trade. Momentum is not what people think of on trading, guys. People preach things that are not true. It's also why there's a lot of people that fail in trading too. They don't learn the right type of information. If you guys haven't liked, if you could also leave a like on the stream. I know there's not too many people watching today. You know this should be prime time, but it's cool with me. Been streaming for about 45-ish minutes so far. This is gonna be my 5th stream on the channel. Fifth stream on the channel. Nah, you're good. Yeah, I know you'd be driving. Hey, yo, you be driving while trading? It's like not drunk driving, but like, yo, that should be like a new law. Driving while trading. Driving under the influence of, I don't even know. DWT, driving while trading. S is not Sebastian, right? I think I went over this last time. I don't think S is the Sebastian in the course. Wouldn't you take the OB intro model there when price came? No. S, no. If you're S, are you in the group? If you're not, I explained the exact reason why in the course. So get the course this month while you still can at the current price. I'm not gonna be. It's gonna go up next month if you haven't seen my announcement for the price. No, this is not ideal entry here. So you wouldn't be taking this loss here. I explained in the course why. And it's something very repeatable that happens all the time. Happens all the time at these POIs. Especially at high time frame POIs. This happens all the time. So no, you don't take this loss, you just take this long here.